Okay, what are we doing today?
We making some delicious food.
What kind of food? We're doing a couple things today, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a couple things.
What they call it, Dada?
We're gonna do a quick salsa. So we need some of this for salsa, and then the jicama and apples we're gonna cut, and we're gonna put tahini on them. So we gotta cut those.
We're gonna cut these.
Yeah, we're gonna cut these now, and then we're gonna use the tomatillos. Tomatillos. We're gonna clean those.
And we're gonna make a delicious food.
Make delicious food.
Yeah, what is it called, Dada?
First, we're gonna do a salsa verde. So just a green salsa, and that's where we need the tomatillos. And I like to put a towel down and then my cutting board so it doesn't move. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me put this so it's in the camera there.
I have a secret recipe.
This one for the big chopping, and then this one is a little thinner.
Whoa, it's rainbow!
Super sharp, so we keep those to the side and we don't touch them, right? Okay. Well, let's cut the peppers first.
Let's cut the peppers.
So, first we cut the ends off.
Yeah, we cut the ends off so everybody has disgusting.
Not disgusting, they're not good for the salsa. So I used to get about 6 big jalapenos. And next we're gonna chop these up really fine. Now we're gonna put this in there. Don't touch this, because these are peppers. So if you touch this and then touch your eyes, it'll burn your eyes.
I have some of these in my hand.
The cilantro.
The cilantro. I just gonna wait for you then that he's gonna cut these. When I say wait to go, he goes.
He goes where?
You do it. You do it.
On the chopper.
Yeah, you chop.
Wanna do a little cilantro?
Yeah.
See, we got some bad ones in here. We gotta take the bad stuff out.
Then you want to give it back to me?
No. And then I like to roll it like this.
Oh, Dad, let me help you, Dad.
You are helping me. You're narrating. You're the one talking. So this cilantro is gonna go in here. We're gonna blend that up with the tomatillos.
Here you go.
Go ahead and put that in there. The tomatillos are gonna be all hot. So you get the hot tomatillos. Put a little bit of onions and everything in there. So it kind of cooks a little bit. Gives everything a little bit different taste. Put a little bit of olive oil.
And I add a little bit more of the wheat things.
A little bit of orange juice in there. Not too much. Thank you for helping me today.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah, we're gonna make a special dessert. The peppers are making
You do tomatillos.
My eyes are burning.
Your eyes are burning? It's because of the onion. Yeah. See, but mine aren't, so I don't know why. So don't touch this stuff. Don't touch your eyes. Go wash your hands. Don't rub your eyes.
Doesn't that feel better?
Yeah, wash your hands. Don't rub your eyes. And now I'm just gonna boil the tomatillos until they turn color.
Want a wheat skin? The wheat skin?
We add that in there and mix it up, and we got our salsa verde. A little bit of salt, garlic, minced garlic, and a little pepper.
Can I put them on?
No, that's good. Oh, you're pretty good. I could eat this all day. You like salsa?
Thanks, Dad. You're the best.
You're the best. Okay, try cutting that one. Let's see where you go with that.
Can I try one?
Yeah. Let me get you a little one to practice with. Oh. Okay, look what I'm doing. Put your hand back.
Am I doing where you go, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Good.
2 hands. Put your hand on the meat to hold it. Make sure your fingers are away from it. And you just cut it like that. Here, let's get that out of the way.